I have been not wanting to come in here, avoiding my craft room at all costs, but I have to get this clean. I need to, yeah, I have vacuum stuff. I gotta take my trash out. I have water bottles. Oh my gosh, this is so embarrassing, but this is real. I am going to get another cup of coffee and get to it. And I am going to take you along with me. All right, got my coffee. Don't know why it's not focusing. Got my trash bag. Let's do this. Yeah, that didn't go over too well. The first thing that I like to do when I need to clean my craft room really well is I take out all of the things that don't belong and put them back wherever that is in my house. And in this case, there wasn't too much that needed to be put away, so I started off with the smallest mess first. This kind of helped me be a little bit less stressed. So I put away my Bible journaling stuff, and then now I'm kind of sorting through this little bin of backgrounds and cards that I've created. Next, I am going to focus on my main desk. This is where I do all of my filming and my creating. So over the last couple weeks, it's just gotten really bad, and I've piled up things on here. I have packages, I have trash, I have my cameras, I have all sorts of things. I honestly stopped cleaning this area so many times, and then I decided, you know what, I just need to get it done. So I focused on one stamp set or one stencil at a time, and I got it done. So the next thing I wanted to do was clean off my craft tower. I absolutely love this craft tower. It is by far my favorite craft room organization product in my craft room. So if you need something to organize all of your most used items on your craft desk, this is the way to go, and it will be linked in the description box. As you can see, it holds so many different types of products, and you can rearrange the shelves however you need them to be. Next, I am picking up those water bottles, and yes, we do recycle. I needed to vacuum out my windowsill. As you could see, we live in a pile of dirt, so it gets really dusty here. I am now just wiping down my work surface, putting away some distress sprays, again, taking one thing at a time and putting it away. This kind of lessens the stress of the whole room being crazy if you just focus on one thing at a time. Now I am going to vacuum, and so satisfying seeing those vacuum lines. I just love seeing a nice clean floor, and I wish I would have closed the door and not come back for a few days, because now my craft room looks like this again. And just for the fun of it, I am going to switch back to my clean craft room just so I can dream that it's clean again. Do you want to know my top tips on organizing and cleaning my craft room and some of my favorite craft room organization products? Be sure to click the playlist right here. You do not want to miss it. I'll see you there.